Hello everyone, my name is Papu Karupta. In this video, I'm going to present you hacking penetration testing on Windows Server 2016. In this in this assignment, we are four members, including me, with Madan, Pragya, and Grisma. So let's begin with the video, and I will show you how I have done penetration testing on Windows Server 2016. So let's begin. Uh, I've already done the penetration testing thing, so I have made it ready so that I can save the time and make the video quick. So here's the first thing we have done is if configuration. This is for configuring the local host and to respond with the uh, victim's machine. So first of all, we are here. We have initialized the Metasploit framework, and then we started this with the console. We started the Metasploit framework console. So we have got like the first one here. So here's the first here the thing here's the third command is here for Metasploit framework. So we can, in this one we have put banner. So this is for changing the banner of this Metasploit framework. We can do a whole days and it will continue changing. So we have done couple of times here, you can see. And now we have to go toward our penetration testing, simply saying hacking. So in this hacking, we have used Eternal Romance to penetrate the Windows Server 2016 systems. So we have here, we have search for blue. This will simply get all the Eternal Blue uh, exploits. Uh, all the exploits are here. So we have used this one, number 19, it's here, number 19. So I have simply here we have put in there, and I have used number 19. Simply if you put the number 19, it will take the number 19. It is exploit slash windows slash smb ms17 underscore 010 underscore ms6. And so we have used the exploit here, and it has uh, started as well. And if you see here, we have done the if config again. This will execute the if configuration. So the next thing is we are now going to set the local host and then right host, I mean the victim machine source. So this is our Kali Linux IP address, that is the local host. And we have also set up the payload, that is Windows interpreter reverse TCP, because reverse TCP is I think quite good one to do this penetration testing or hiking, because this is both ways. uh, so the we have also set up the victim machines IP address here, host, that is, if you see here, I'd like to show you. If you see here, we have got the IP address is 192.168.1.191, and it is also here. We have put the victim machines host is this one. And now we are going to show you the options. Whatever we set up, whatever we made up to this will be shown here. Will be shown here. I'm sorry for background. Will be shown here. If you see here, you will find out every description, everything, and then exploit target is here, ID name, and then automatic is done. So finally we are all ready, and now we are going to launch the Eternal Romance exploit. So we simply type the command exploit to get it going, and after some time you will see it going. Here you will see the exploit here you will see the exploit completed. So we are now finally hacked into the hacked into the Windows Server 2016. So let's discuss about the security concern. As far as the security concern we regard, normally port 21, that is for internet IIS. So that is simply get hacked whenever you have created a FTP server file. You can easily penetrate into the system with simple tools like Armitage or Eternal Blue, or the Eternal Romance. You can simply also launch Hydra to penetrate into the system. There are other tools like Double Pulsar that will also help you to penetrate inside the system. So I think we are done, and I hope Tony you will like this video. This video is so raw. I know I was uh, the background. There is quite light. Please ignore that. But my intention is to make you present this video and as much better as possible. This is first time, so I hope you like it. Thanks.